Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to dye your hair copper for less than $10, step by step. Here we go. So I got these products from my hair supply store or beauty supply store, and I did this because it's normally a fraction of the cost if I go here instead of a franchise beauty supply store such as Sally's Beauty. And today I'm using extensions because anytime I bleach my natural hair, it normally breaks out. And these were the products that was inside of the box. Number one is just a hair coloring. Number two is just the developer. You mix both of those inside of the mixing bowl. I bought an extra developer just to give it a little boost in color. And number three is the neutralizer. Make sure you have those gloves. Wearing gloves will prevent you from dyeing your hands. Now let's get to the good part, the mixing part. So you use the developer and then you mix that with the hair dye. I prefer to mix everything with a spoon. The spoon is disposable and I don't have to worry about cleaning it up. And this is the hair coloring chart. The darker your hair is, the longer it'll take to dye, so just keep that in mind. I comb through each strand of hair with hair dye and I let it sit with aluminum foil on top for about an hour. The longer you let your hair sit and dye with aluminum foil on top, the faster the process. Now let's get to the good part, shampooing, conditioning, and neutralizing. Look at that color, guys. I left the roots dark because I wanted an ombre look, and the ends are a little bit lighter because that's what I dyed first. And here's the results.